Before starting the course of HTML, I want to discuss the mechanism of a browser to show a single website on the screen. And later, we will discuss the importance of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So, let's go for the mechanism of browser to show the website. As you can see on the screen, I have made a small presentation for to show the complex level behind the browser to show a single page. So, at the first stage, when users search for any website like Amazon.com, then the browser will get a request of showing the Amazon.com to the user. So, in the second step, the browser detects the IP address of the user because at a time there are thousands of users who want to access the same page. So, with the help of IP address, the browser can set the Amazon.com to the right user. So, the browser initially checks the IP address in the history page. If it's available in the history page, then it will be saved. Otherwise, the browser sends a request to the DNS server to detect the IP address of the user. Here, the DNS server will detect the IP address from the routing system or the network layer used by the user. The DNS server can detect the IP address even from the Wi-Fi or the network layer or like the cellular data we are using, and from that it can detect the IP address and it will send to the browser. Here, after the two processes, the browser will store the IP address. So in the next step, the browser sends an request to the server. Here, as we are searching for Amazon.com, the browser sends a request to the Amazon server of getting the web page. So behind the server, here also there are so many complex levels of tasks are happening. As the user sends a request for Amazon.com, the server now decides to which page has to be sent, because on a Amazon.com we may have payment page or the shopping page, and there are so many pages. So after getting the clarity, the server sends the accurate page to the browser. Now the browser sends to the accurate user or to the right user with the help of the IP address. Now, with the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, the information or the web page is displayed on the screen. I hope you got an clarity of how the browser works and how the browser helps us to get the website. Let's go for the importance of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and let's see what are the differences between them. As you know, there are three popular web technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's discuss one by one. Suppose you want to build a car. Then the first step, we have to create a structure of a car, right? So as you can see, I have made a structure of a car. We cannot build the structure of a car with the help of HTML, but we can create the structure of a website using HTML only. So HTML has the power to create the structure of a website. It is just like a web document. But in the further step, if you want to give the design or color to the car, but that cannot be done by the HTML alone. So for that, we have to go for the CSS, that is cascading style sheet. As you can see, with the help of CSS, we can modify and give the beauty to the body created by the HTML. As you can understand, with the help of HTML and CSS, we can create only the interface of the website. But suppose I want to do the brain to the website. I mean, I want this car to move. Such type of brain things can be done with the help of JavaScript. It means with the help of JavaScript, we can give brain to a website. So as you can see, with the help of JavaScript, we can give the brain to a website. So with the help of HTML, we can create the structure of a website. With the help of CSS, we can increase the beautiness of the website. And with the help of JavaScript, we can give brain to the website. So I hope you got a logic with the help of car. Let's get this idea in a practical way. So I'm opening VS Code. Here I have created a small website. Let me open this in live server. You can see I have created a beautiful website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. As you can see, on pressing the plus symbol, the numbers are incremented. On pressing the minus symbol, the numbers are decreased. So, let's see the importance of each one of them in creating a website. So, here is the code. Just don't bother about the code. Now, I have included style.css file in the HTML file. Suppose if I delete this link of the CSS file to the HTML and again open in the live server, you can see the whole beautiness of the website has gone. So by here you can understand the importance of CSS for making a beautiful websites. Suppose if I undo the action, if I paste again the link of CSS file in the HTML and open this in live server, as you can see, the beautiness of the website has returned. So with the help of CSS, we can increase the beautiness of the website. We cannot delete the HTML file because it is the page through which we can create the structure of a website. Now let's know the importance of the JavaScript. The whole JavaScript file can be written in the script tags. Just let's delete this JavaScript file and let's see using the live server. You can see even deleting the JavaScript lines, there is no change on the website. But if I touch the plus symbol, the number is not incremented. Also, if I touch the minus symbol, the number is not decremented. So you can understand, with the help of JavaScript, I have made the website and given a brain that when I touch on the plus, the number should be increased. So these things can only possible by using JavaScript. In the next video, we will see the HTML in a depth way. And make sure that you subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to get notified. See you in the next video. Bye bye.